Hi children, today we are going to write cursive writing and your topic is parts of the body. Alright? Now first, let's write head. How do you spell H? E-A-D. Let's write. Now see how I write and you do the same. Head. E A D head. Now let's write the H capital. Shall we? Good. H E A. Okay. Next. What's on your head? Hair. Spell hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. H-A-I-R. Let's write H. A. I. R. Let's write the H again. Capital. Kurt. H A I R I. Dot the I. Next, how do you see? We see with our eyes. Let's write eyes. Yes, spell E-Y-E-S. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Let's write the E capital. E. Y. E. S. Eyes. Now, how do you hear? We hear with our ears. Spell ears. E-A-R-S. Good. E-A-R-S. Ears. Let's write the E capital. E. A-R-S. Ears. Now, let's look at them all. First, head. H-E-A-D. Head. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Next, let's take another 4 parts of the body. Now, mommy makes a delicious cake. How do you know it is delicious? How do you know mommy is making a cake? You smell the cake. How do you smell? Which part of the body helps you to smell the cake? Nose. So we use our nose to smell. Mommy, what are you making? You're baking a cake for me? Good. Let's try. Spell nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Good. N. O. S. E. Nose. Let's write the N capital. N. O. S. E. Nose. Nose helps us to smell cake. Smell lovely thing that mommy cook in the kitchen. Now, nose. After nose, mouth. What do we have here? Mouth. What we use the mouth for? Speaking. Yes, it's very important that we learn to talk correctly. We use our mouth for talking. What else? To eat. Mommy make delicious food and you taste and eat the food. So mouth, to put your little food in. Spell mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Good. M-O-U-T-H. U T H. Mouth. Let's write the M capital. Yes. M O U T H. Mouth. Next. How do you write, children? You take the paper, you take a pencil, and you use your fingers to hold the pencil or the pen. No? So fingers, very important to hold something. Even if you have to drink milk, you have to hold the mug. Use your fingers. Yes? How many fingers do you have? Count up. On one hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other hand, 5. Spell finger. F I N G E R. Finger. Good. Let's write. F I N G E R. Finger. Your fingers are very important for you. For playing, coloring, writing, eating, or anything. You can use your fingers. Yes, use your fingers to point. Now, where are your fingers? On your hand. Yes. How many hands have you? 2 hands. And they are called helping hands. Yes, spell hand. H A N D. Hand. Always help mommy and your friends. Okay? Now, finger. We didn't write F capital, shall we? F. Capital F. F I N G E R. Finger. Next is our hand. We have 2 hands to help, to do work. Yes? You can carry your things, you can settle your table, carry your bag, school bag and so on. Hands to help. Okay? Not for hurting, helping. Now spell hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. H. Let's write. A. N. D. Hand. Let's write the H capital. H. H. A. N. D. Hand. Look. Now let's look at the parts of the body we have written. First one is nose. You smell with our nose. You can sniff. Lovely smell. N-O-S-E. Nose. Mouth. We speak and we eat. Spell M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Next, finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. To hold things. Your pencil. Colors. And finally, we have your hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Helping hands. Let's take another set of 4 parts of our body. When you feel hungry, what do you tell mommy? Mommy, I'm feeling hungry. I think my stomach is asking me for some food. You feel the hunger. You want to put in some food into your stomach. Yes? And that's called stomach. Sometimes when you eat too much junk food, you tell mommy, my stomach is paining. Yes? Now, spell stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Shall we write? S. T. O. M. A. C. H. Stomach. Let's write the S capital. S. T O M A C H. Next, at home, you like to play a game. You go on your knees. Yes? You go on your knees, and then what do? You go like a pussycat or a puppy. You play a game, don't you? Knee. How many knees you have? 1, 2. Yes? And you play the game, head, my shoulder, my knees. Yes? Spell knee. 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 Spell Knee. Let's write. K N E knee. After some time you tell mommy, my knee is paining. Yes, you go crawling all about. Let's write the K capital. K N E knee. How many knee you have? 2. 2 knees. Next, look. Foot. How do you stand? You have to use your 1 foot, 2. You have 2. Spell foot. F O O T. Foot. F. Let's write. F O O T. Let's write the F capital. F O O T. Foot. Teacher says stand up. How do you stand? Yes, you stand on your 2 little legs. 1 leg, 2 legs. Leg. Spell leg. L-E-G. Leg. Look at my legs. I can stand straight. Let's write L-E-G. Leg. Let's write the L capital. L-E-G. Leg. Let's look at the 4 parts of the body we have written over here. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. I ask for food when I feel hungry. Yes? Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. I can kneel down. Yes? Crawl about. Foot. F-O-T. Foot. Yes? You have 1 and 2 foot. Leg. I can stand up straight on my leg. L-E-G. Leg.